Hello everyone, my name is Ajit and in this video I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. This is one of the applications that is created by OpenAI and it is creating a lot of buzz in today's social media and online platform. So let's understand what is ChatGPT very briefly, and I'm also going to give you a walkthrough of how to use this app. So let's begin. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is nothing but kind of a chatbot wherein the application is created in such a way that it has a lot of knowledge base and the topics are not related only to few areas. Like it's not only related to cooking or it is not only related to coding or something like that. It can give you answers based on your queries. Whatever queries you have in your mind, you have to just put it in the chat and it will give you back the answer. It's as simple as that. So people are using it for many reasons as of now. People are trying to create content because it gives you the details which is needed to create a content, or people are also using to do coding. So there are n number of uses based on whatever type of query that you are asking. So that is what ChatGPT is. Now let's understand how to use it. So in order to use ChatGPT, you have to search ChatGPT in your Chrome browser. Once you search it, it will take you to the login screen. So try to log in using your Gmail account. And that is a suggestion for you. It works good if you use Google account. So once you're logged into ChatGPT, this is how the chat box will look like. So in the chat box, try to enter your query like it's same as you would chat in any of the chat applications like Microsoft Teams or Skype or WhatsApp. So once you type in your query, like I'm typing this query, it is giving me the answers real quick, isn't it? So this is how easy it is used to ChatGPT. It can give queries with regards to cooking, anything about a person, anything about statistics, anything about coding. Totally depends upon what kind of query that you have in your mind. So try to use it and it will totally depends upon your requirement, whatever it is. Based on that, you can query in this application. So I hope this video was beneficial for you. You learned something about ChatGPT. If you like this video, do not forget to like and do support us with sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.